Hi there, this is Vadim, and in this quick video I would like to help you get ready and pass employment assessment test. I'll share with you one tip that was helpful for me, and hopefully it will be helpful for you as well.
Very frequently we get a question if usage of the calculator is allowed in the test. The best way is to ask the provider. Some providers allow for use of the calculator, and some of them are not. Make sure when you use the calculator that you learn how to use it in advance. Practice sample questions on the calculator and see if it actually helps you. And make sure that calculator has fresh batteries if it uses batteries. Or bring charger and connect it right before the test.
Thanks for watching. I encourage you to check out our daily question challenge in the community section of this channel. I also recommend that you check downloads in the description section of this video. Please also check out resources page on our website, howtoanalyzedata.net/resources. If you like the content, please give this video a big thumbs up. This tells us that you need more content like this. I would encourage you to share this video with other people that might be looking for the job. This will help them to get prepared and pass assessment test faster. Please consider subscribing and following this channel. We have a community of great people helping each other to get ready and pass the test. Please leave questions, comments, or suggestions in the comment section of this video. And all the best on your interview and assessment test. Thanks for watching.